Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar. This is a video regarding how to activate the hub. I want to purchase the hub with this amount 250 actual euros, 1 by 8 part I'll get. So you'll definitely like this video how to activate in Zenic. You can type zenic.com in Google. You can check out Dubai is completely going into blockchain. So I'm showing you I already deposited from Geotus from my bank account to Geotus, which is exchange Indian exchange. From there, I went to my wallet. I show you how I did. I went to deposit. When I go to deposit, there are options like Bitcoin, Bitcoin legacy address, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Eurocoin, Litecoin. So if you click on Litecoin, which is very comfortable for you, so you can go ahead with it. You can copy this address and type in geotest. So the amount will come reflect within 10 to 15 minutes. It will reflect here like this. So this is my friend's account where I'm activating a hub of 1 by 8 part. I'm showing you that. So if you can see here, so if you go, there are different options on dashboard. You can see account, network, register, wallet. I did a video on it, complete details of all these options. If you definitely like, you can message me on 9666406195 number or 9346799014. These two numbers are available, so you can message me if you want to get into Zenic. I'll help you out in Telugu, Hindi, English, all three languages I'm comfortable with. So see here I'm going for shop. You can see hub here, different hubs are there. Recommended, you can see automatic I got 250 no in my account 251, so it's showing 1 by 8 Sapphire minting shares. See here, minting is different from mining. Minting will be coming from cloud servers from Coinbase. So every day, every second, every minute minting goes on. And from Zenic you can expect 20 years of income. Daily minting will go. So 20 years of my minting coins will come, and based on as you know that October 22, 23, 24, 2021, it's Zenic is launching officially this Zenic coin, which will be used in government and private sectors like wind energy, travels like logistic, health insurance, etc., almost 12 to 15 sectors it can be used. Now I'll show you how to activate this 250. It is showing 1 by 8. If you want to know more details, you can message me so I can help you out in this. There are Zoom meetings also going on in Hindi. I'll help you out in three languages. So you can see here, you click on buy. So Zenic physical hub is available. It's the first hub which is available in physical coin, physical and hardware part. So housing coins, Zenic coins, minting factor, all these are given. You see, factor 11.1. You can read out this all. You can pause it and read out this all. So click on it, say OK. Within minutes it will get activated. Purchase successfully. Excellent work has been done. Now you can see here, you can see 2.14 was 251. What happened is $1 has been added for any newcomer. $1 will be added, so 250 is activated. From minutes onwards, minting will start very soon, within no time. So you can see here €1 is free for new plus current rank. Bonus is given here. Starter €15 will get. All this I'll tell you in the plan. I'll attend. You can attend the Zoom meetings and all that. So here, this is what I want to show you, how to activate the hub. See here, Dubai, you know, it follows all the rules and regulations. I made a video on it. What is what? If you want, you can see here. I am showing you in my WhatsApp exactly what it's look like. See here, I'm showing you this details. How Zenic looks, you can see here. So Arabian News, Dubai-based Zenic to launch platform that turns assets into digital tokens. Dubai, see here, plays an integral role in digital art investments. The company chief said, explanation why the Emirate is the perfect place for project. You can see here, I'll show you one by one what is what. See, you can see here, the royal family is also involved in it, in magazines and all this. You can see here all proofs. Many proofs are there with me, but I'm showing you a sample. This is video to activate, how to activate and all that. I made a video on it, so you can see here how the hardware wallet looks. Next year, exchange is also coming, own blockchain and decentralized network, regular free, so you can exchange any cryptocurrency with any cryptocurrency. You can see here. I want to read this for you because I'm making a video on it, so I want to read out this for you. See here, UAE is a market ripe for mass technology adoption due to its forwarding thinking leadership, regular and world class infrastructure. You can see here, I want to show you something important. The UAE is a market ripe for mass technology. You can, it may be looking blur, but I want to adoption due to the technology thinking, registration and world class infrastructure. The vision, sorry, the vision the vision, sorry, the call came. Registration of world class infrastructure has vision HS. Uh, Here, Dubai Vice President and Prime Minister of UAE, you can see a ruler, is talking about Zanik. I want to show you this proof because how genuine this project is. And you can see, you can type here Zenik and check out in this website also whether Zenik is uh, real or not. You can type here everything. I'm zooming out to show you what is a roadmap. It started in 2018 because of pandemic. Now this July 19th, government's signature has been done, and you can see here app is coming, hub and debit card and decentralized exchange and university bachelor degree MBA. Blockchain will be used there for all courses. That is what Zenic Power is. You can go ahead blindly and join this. You can also check out your diligence, what it is what. So this is what I want to show you, what is exactly the Zenic can do, what magic it can do. The wallet is coming this month, so all magazines are publishing about Zenic. Thank you very much for this wonderful video. You'll definitely like it. If you like, you like my channel, subscribe my channel, and you can go ahead with EtherConnect, Zenic, and Hyperfund. All these are big projects right now going on. So you can go ahead and activate this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.